Hi everyone, and welcome back to She's in the Kitchen. So for today's video, we are going to learn how to make another super easy appetizer for the holidays or any gatherings that y'all may have. We're going to learn how to make this delicious bourbon cranberry brie cheese. I'm super excited to try this out because I absolutely love brie cheese. So if you guys are ready, let's get into it. Ingredients: maple syrup. The recipe calls for pecans, but I don't have any right now. What I do have is walnuts, so I'm gonna add walnuts to mine. Ground cinnamon, bourbon, nutmeg, some brown sugar, cranberry sauce, and your wheel of brie cheese. Okay, so before we put all of our ingredients into a bowl, we're gonna turn on our oven to 350. All right, first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to chop my walnuts. In a mixing bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add my chopped walnuts, brown sugar, bourbon, maple syrup, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a cranberry sauce. We're going to give this a good mix. Okay, and our bourbon cranberry sauce should look something like this. Now we're going to set this aside.
Now we're going to carefully remove the top rind. Okay, so I have this little 5x5 baking dish that I'm going to go ahead and place my brie cheese in. Now we're going to add this delicious topping that we just made all over our brie cheese. Now this is ready to go into the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes.
Okay, after 20 minutes, it's time to take out our baked brie. All right, so this delicious bourbon cranberry baked brie is ready to be served. All right, so it's time to give our baked brie cheese a little taste test. Now, keep in mind, my baked brie cheese doesn't look super pretty. However, it smells delicious, and I can see that all these yummy flavors have been incorporated in this cheese, so I'm super excited to give it a taste. Wow, so good. It's delicious. I mean, I love a good baked brie cheese as it is. Like I mentioned before, it's one of my favorites. But this baked brie cheese with the walnuts and the bourbon and the nutmeg and the cinnamon and the cranberry and the brown sugar, all of those wonderful flavors are so good. They work so well with each other. This is a great recipe. I highly recommend. Well, that is it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This recipe was so easy to make. It was super easy to follow. I love me a good baked brie cheese, and adding all these delicious toppings on top of my baked brie cheese, it just elevated it so much more. And I love this recipe because you can cater it to however you want, to whatever you have in your pantry. Like if you don't have all of these ingredients, you can definitely add different things to it. Like for example, if you have strawberry jam, you can add strawberry jam on top of it, or raspberry jam, or if you have honey, you can just drizzle some honey on top of it, or if you have almonds, you can crush up the almonds and add the honey on top. So you can do this baked brie cheese however you want to. You can make it spicy, you can make it savory, or you can make it sweet like we just did. And I absolutely love this recipe because I do believe this is perfect for a holiday get-together, or even just for a winter appetizer in general, because all of these delicious flavors are just so comforting. I will leave all the ingredients down below in the description box. I will also tag the person of where I found this recipe. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye everyone!